If you've been trying to make money with AI, and nothing is working, let me be honest with you. It's not because AI doesn't work. It's because you're doing it wrong. And I know that sounds harsh, but I made the same mistakes. I followed the same advice. I tried the same methods. And I got the same result: nothing. No money. No progress. Just frustration. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly why it's not working, and what you need to change starting today. If you've been trying to make money with AI, and nothing is working, let me be honest with you. It's not because AI doesn't work. It's because you're doing it wrong. And I know that sounds harsh, but I made the same mistakes. I followed the same advice. I tried the same methods. And I got the same result: nothing. No money. No progress. Just frustration. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly why it's not working, and what you need to change starting today. Because once you fix just one of these mistakes, everything starts to change. Let's be real for a moment. You've seen the videos. Make money with AI, passive income, start today, but when you try it, nothing happens. And that's where the confusion starts. Because now you're thinking, is this real? Does this actually work? The answer is yes. But not the way you've been doing it. Let's break it down. Mistake 1. You're doing too much. This is the first trap. You try everything. YouTube automation, freelancing, digital products, affiliate marketing. You start one, then switch. Then switch again. And after a few days, you feel busy. But you've achieved nothing. Reality activity is not progress. Pick one path. Just one. Example. If you choose YouTube, focus only on YouTube. Not everything else. This is where results begin. Mistake 2. You're using AI like a shortcut. Most people think, AI will do everything for me. So they copy what ChatGPT gives them, and post it. But here's the truth. Everyone is doing that. And when everyone does the same thing, no one stands out. Use AI as a base. Then improve it. Add clarity. Make human. Make it yours. Because people don't connect with AI, they connect with people. Mistake 3. Your content is too generic. This is the biggest reason your videos are not growing. Your titles sound like how to make money with AI. Your thumbnails look like every other AI channel. So what happens? People scroll. Reality, if it looks familiar, it gets ignored. Change the angle. Instead of how to make money with AI, use I tried making money with AI. Now it's a story. Now it's different. Now people click. Mistake 4. You expect results too fast. Let's be honest. You expected something to happen quickly. Maybe 1 day, 3 days, 1 week, but nothing happened. And now you feel like quitting. Truth, you are still in the learning phase. Give it time. Consistency is the real advantage. Because most people quit early. If you don't, you already win. Mistake 5. You don't have a system right now, you're just trying things. Random videos. Random ideas. Random effort. That doesn't work. Follow a simple system. Content, right pointing arrow, attention, right pointing arrow, value, right pointing arrow, income. Let me explain. You create content, people watch, you provide value, then you monetize. And you repeat. That's how this works. Mistake 6. Your packaging is weak. Even if your content is good, if people don't click, it doesn't matter. And most beginners use too much text, use weak titles, use cluttered thumbnails. Keep it simple. 2 to 3 words, strong message, clear contrast. Example. No results. I not working. I tried this. That's what gets clicks. Mistake 7. You quit too early. This is the biggest one. You stop right before things start working. Because results are not immediate. And when you stop, you reset everything. Stay consistent long enough to learn. Because learning leads to improvement. And improvement leads to results. Let's simplify everything. If you want to make money with AI, Step 1. Pick one direction. Step 2. Use AI to create content. Step 3. Improve your content. Step 4. Add simple value. Step 5. Repeat consistently. That's it. No complexity. No confusion. Once you apply this, something changes. You stop guessing. You stop jumping around. You start building. And slowly, results come. Not instantly, but steadily. If AI is not working for you, it's not because it doesn't work. It's because something in your approach needs to change. And now you know exactly what that is. If you want more videos like this, real, practical, no hype, subscribe to the channel. Because here, we focus on what actually works. And in the next video, I'll show you how to start getting real results faster.